Hi there, it's your Guelph Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore here, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to repair your credit. So in the world, but especially in the world of home buying and home selling, because you want to buy something else after, your credit is very, very important. And a lot of people don't know what different things go into your credit score and how that actually makes you either able to get a mortgage or not able to get a mortgage. So a few things that are very simple that you can do to make sure you are getting the highest credit score you can are things like paying your bills on time, making sure that you're paying them right on time. And if you're doing it through an automatic system, like through your bank, to make sure that you're actually doing that a couple days before the due date. Because if you put it through on online banking today and it's due today, it might not get there for a couple days. And sure, it doesn't really matter, but it kind of does, because then you're going on record as being a late payer. The other thing that's very important is that you make sure that you review your credit history, because sometimes things can be on your credit that you don't even know about. Especially, this is something that happens with identity fraud. So you can go to Equifax and you can actually pull your credit report and find out what's on there and what does it say about you as a consumer and as a person. The other thing is to pay down your debts. So debt service ratio is something that they will look at, and they want to know, what are you dealing with? How in debt are you, and how much room do you have, let's say, on your lines of credit or credit cards, and how close to those limits are you? So that's a really important piece, because if you are to go and buy a house and you really don't have a lot of room, or your payments that you need to make every month are too high, you might not get approved. The other thing is to use credit wisely. Now, in our society, it's easy to use a credit card. You have the little tap and pay. You can buy everything and buy now, pay later, and we don't think about tomorrow because we're too busy enjoying today without any delayed gratification. So you want to make sure that you're keeping a low balance on your credit cards. You're paying your balance off every month. And if you can't pay the whole balance, you're paying more than the minimum. Little trick, even if you pay a little bit more than the minimum, especially if you're just starting out as a student or first time buyer, a little bit more than the minimum, it actually gives you kind of a little gold star. So it seems like you're even better. And if you're having trouble or struggling, seek professional help. There are so many people. You can go and see a financial advisor. You can go and see, even your lender can help you out if you're having a struggle, or you can even chat with me and I can connect you with some amazing people. So that's all for today. If you have any questions about this or the Guelph market and you want to discuss it over this crazy heat wave we're having this September, I'm more than happy to help. And again, I'm your Guelph Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye.